How to verify your Coinbase account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Help Deck, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can verify your ID on Coinbase. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If Coinbase has put some kind of limits to your account for withdrawals and deposits, there is a simple way to verify and increase those limits. And in order to do that, all you have to do is first go ahead and then launch the Coinbase application on your phone. And once you launch the Coinbase application, what you need to do is you'll basically see this kind of interface over here. And once you see this kind of interface, just tap on the icon from the very top left hand side of the screen. As you do that, here you'll find the option called profile and settings. So just tap on the profile and settings. And once you go to profile and settings, here under account settings, you'll find the option called limits and features. So just go ahead and select the option called limits and features. Once you choose the option called limits and features, right over here you can see 3D secure purchases are enabled to 35 euros per week. You have send cryptocurrency enabled, receiving cryptocurrencies are also enabled. And if you want to actually upgrade these features and buy digital currency and so on, then you could go to the verify photo ID section. Once you go to verify photo ID, it says you to verify a photo ID. So just tap on the verify button at the bottom of the screen. So just go ahead and tap on continue, and you have to have either one of these three ID type, which is your driver's license, which is also recommended by Coinbase app themselves, and your ID card or your passport if you do not have your driver's license. So if you do have driver's license, then just tap on it and make sure to allow the Coinbase application to take a photo of this good ID and so on. So first of all, make sure to actually capture the front side of your ID, then make sure to capture the back side of your ID. As you do that, it'll ask you for some other details within your driver's license. Make sure to fill in the form according to the legal details, and once you do that, you'd have successfully verified your Coinbase account. That's all it takes to verify your ID on Coinbase. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.